I get this question a lot. They're like, Godwin, if I had to reset right now, or if you had to start all over, where would you start and why? And the number one thing that I would actually pick would be making sure that my credit is intact, right? Making sure I have my finance, right? My foundation set. And the reason why I say that is because a lot of the businesses that I have built, especially before really starting where I'm at the level at right now, I actually leveraged a lot of cash where I didn't get any benefits, any rewards, any cashbacks. I didn't even have any quote unquote cool points with the banks, right? And what I mean by cool points is that when you start leveraging your credit, when you start actually using cashback, getting high limit business credit cards, you're building the foundation not only for yourself, but you're building the foundation for other banks and lenders to be able to trust you, right? For example, if you were the bank and you gave me $100,000, right? And I have utilized this $100,000, paid it back on time, kept utilizing it, kept paying it back on time, you as the bank, what you are going to do is increase my $100,000 to either $200,000 or $300,000, right? And that's why I always say the key core of us building businesses or getting into the entrepreneurship journey that a lot of people don't talk about is really leveraging their credit. A lot of people don't leverage their credit, and a lot of people are they don't have the correct knowledge on what credit is, right? It's not all about you just having a 700 credit score, an 800 credit score, but it's really more of having access to the bank money when you need it, right? So to answer your question, right, if I had to reset today, the first thing I'm gonna always make sure that I have in place, me, my girlfriend, my daughter, anybody in my circle, is making sure that our credit is in line and we have the foundation to be able to access over $1 million in capital. Let's go.